Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Shrestha and in today's video we are going to derive the formula of volume for spheres. So in today's video especially we have created a simple project in GeoGebra Classic 5 with the help of my teacher Harka Karki sir and some friends. So this is a really simple project. I have done it myself with their help and you can do it by yourself too. So let's quickly get into the video. I'm going to share my screen right now and we can directly see that here is a section of the numericals, whereas this is the section for the 3D graphics. So for this experiment, we of course need GeoGebra and you can do it practically at home, but as we are learning online right now, we have done it virtually. Okay, so we have taken four cones and a big sphere. So for this derivation, we actually need one sphere and four small cones with the same height and radius. So if you are not very uh, aware that this is the sphere and cone of same height and radius, as you can see, here is the origin in the graph. So the center of the sphere is actually starting from the origin and its circumference, the outer surface area, is actually end up in unit 2, whereas in the case of the cone it starts from unit 2 and ends up at 4, so 2 each. So they have the radius and the height of 2 units. You can units can stand out for centimeter, meter, as your wish. So we have taken a big sphere and four small cones with the same radius and same height, 2 units to be exact. Okay, so what we need to do is, uh, after this, I have created that volume of sphere is equals to 4 volume of cone. So how is it possible? Because as you can see, here are 4 cones only, and I have directly said that it is equals to volume of the sphere. So as you can see, I have filled the cones with some amount of liquid. We can call it color liquid right now. So they're filled with a red or maroon liquid. So the liquid inside the solid shapes represents their volume. So as we have a cone filled with four color liquids, we have the volume of four cones. So while we have transferred the liquids into the sphere, we can see that volume of four different cone is actually equals to the volume of the sphere. It is very easy. While we transfer it from up to the bottom, we get that it is directly filled, as you can see. It has filled to the top. So now we can prove that volume of sphere equals to volume of cone if their radius and height are equal. So as we know from the previous classes or previous formula making, that the volume of cone is actually 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, h is actually the vertical height, r is the radius of the base, and pi is a constant. So no need to worry about that. So radius is this radius of the circular base of the cone. We are only in the cone right now, so no need to get into the sphere. Okay, so we have the radius of the base and actually the vertical height. So here's the vertical height and we need to find it. So what we need to do is actually we already know that the vertical height of any sphere is actually the radius. So we have directly written that the radius of the sphere is equal to the vertical height. So height here is the radius, which is r. So while we multiply the volume of cone into 4, we actually get 4 by 3 pi r cubed unit square at last if you want to. So this is a very simple derivation formula. So if you didn't understand, you can directly contact with me as well. And if you have understood, very well done. And so this is a very simple project, so you can do it by yourself too. It is virtual, so it is very easy. You can do it on your laptop and especially mobile as well. So we can prove that the volume of sphere is actually volume of four cones, and the direct formula for this is 4 by 3 pi r cube square units. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something today. Bye bye.